विधानसभा चुनाव के मद्देनजर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज केरल, तमिलनाडु और केंद्र शासित प्रदेश पुडुचेरी में चुनावी रैली को संबोधित करेंगे। सबसे पहले वे केरल के पलक्कड़ में रैली संबोधित करने वाले हैं। इसके मद्देनजर यहां तैयारी शुरू हो गई है। इसके बाद वे तमिलनाडु जाएंगे। फिर शाम को वे पुडुचेरी का दौरा करेंगे और रैली को संबोधित करेंगे। वहीं बता दें, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की रैली के लिए केंद्रीय शासित प्रदेश में सुरक्षा के पुख्ता इंतजाम किए गए हैं। यहां धारा 144 लगा दी गई है। साथ ही 29 से 30 मार्च तक यहां ड्रोन और अन्य मानव रहित यान की उड़ानों पर रोक लगा दी गई है। यहां 6 अप्रैल को चुनाव होने हैं। चुनाव प्रचार के लिए प्रधानमंत्री का ये पुडुचेरी का दूसरा दौरा है। इससे पहले उन्होंने 25 फरवरी को यहाँ एक चुनावी रैली को संबोधित किया था।
They are corruption, casteism, communalism, cronyism, and when I say cronyism, which includes nepotism and dynasty politics. And fifth, criminalization. And the root cause of this disease is the super disease of vote bank politics. UDF and LDF are masters at such vote bank politics. The young and first-time voter of Kerala is seeing how both alliances are bowing to regressive elements of society. It is clear the UDF and LDF have two aims: further vote bank politics, fill pockets. This comfortable agreement is all set to be rejected. Friends, the BJP's vision for Kerala is forward-looking and aspirational. That is why the youth of the state, the professional communities across the state are openly supporting BJP. Across India too, this trend is being seen. People from all walks of life are able to connect with the BJP's vision for India's growth. Take the example of your candidate, Metro Man Sridharan ji. Everyone wants well-educated people to enter politics. But thanks to Metro Man Sridharan ji, I am seeing something for the first time. A man who achieved so much in life, a man who has done excellent work to make India modern and improve connectivity. A man who is admired by all sections of society. He is a proud son of Kerala. He had devoted himself for Kerala's progress. If he wanted only power, he could have got it even 20 years ago. Yet, as a true son of Kerala, he thought beyond power. He knew he would be attacked, but he stayed firm on his commitment to Kerala. He is an inspiration for all, especially for professionals. I want to tell the people of Kerala, in BJP, you have a party that ensures growth based on सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास. In BJP, you have a party whose focus is to improve your ease of living.